Hello children, I hope you are doing good. In previous class, we saw northern plains. So I gave you the gist of the lesson in the previous class. Today, we are going to explore life in the northern plains. Let's go to the topic. There is a dense population in the northern plains as the land has many rivers rich with alluvial soil and fertile plains. The northern plains stretch across the states of Punjab, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and parts of Assam and Tripura. Let's start with Punjab. Children, where does the word Punjab come from? Punjab comes from Panj plus Ab in Hindi. Panj which means 5 and Ab which means water. Thus, Punjab literally means the land of 5 rivers. The 5 rivers that flow through the Punjab. So children, now we clear the word Punjab. It means land of 5 rivers. Now, we are moving to the topic. Satluj, Beas and Ravi flow through Punjab and makes the land very fertile. Punjab lies in the Satluj river basin. In Punjab, agriculture is the main occupation and it is the largest producer of wheat in India. What is the capital of Punjab? Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab, which is administered separately as a union territory, and it is also the capital of Haryana. So children, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. And one more, Chandigarh is a well-planned city. And one more large city is Amritsar. It is famous for the Golden Temple. Here, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Rajpura, Patiala, Mohali are the major cities in Punjab. Guru Purab, Baisakhi, Holi and Diwali are celebrated in Punjab. Here, people speak Punjabi and Hindi. And you know, Bhangra and Hida are popular folk dances. In Punjab, there are several industries which include the manufacture of electrical goods, textiles, scientific instruments, sports goods and fertilizer are located in this area. It has the largest steel rolling mill plant in Mandi Gobindkar. Let's start Haryana. Do you know the word Haryana? Haryana means abode of God in Sanskrit language. Haryana is located in the Satluj river basin. The river Yamuna, which flows between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, serves as its eastern border. Children, where is Haryana located? Haryana is located to the south of Punjab. It also surrounds the national capital Delhi on 3 sides. The Yamuna and the Satluj provide water for irrigation. So, agricultural is the main occupation of the people living in Haryana. In that, wheat, rice and sugarcane are the main crops. Besides, many people are also engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. In the state, Hindi and Haryanavi are the main languages spoken by the people. Chandigarh is the capital city and Gurugram is the largest car manufacturing plant in the country. So, which is the largest car manufacturing plant in the country? Gurugram. It is also famous for the call centers and reputed IIT institutions. And one more famous city in Haryana is Faridabad. Let's see Delhi. Delhi is located on the banks of river Yamuna. New Delhi is the capital of India and it is the union territory and it is the 8th largest metropolis in the world by population. And it has many famous monuments such as Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Lotus Temple, Akshara Dham and Jantar Mantar. Here, all major Indian festivals are celebrated. All the central government offices, residence of President, Prime Minister are located here. It has 2 parts, namely New Delhi and Old Delhi. And children, which languages are spoken in Delhi? In Delhi, Hindi, English and Punjabi languages are spoken by the people. And Delhi is a cosmopolitan city. Next comes Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is also situated in Ganga river basin. It is a large and thickly populated state in our country. Lucknow is the capital. So what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Other important cities are Meerut, Agra, Allahabad, Varanasi and Kanpur. Allahabad is the largest metro city in Uttar Pradesh. So which is the largest metro city in Uttar Pradesh? Allahabad. And Uttar Pradesh has a very good fertile land because of the alluvium deposited by the Ganga and its tributaries. This helps in producing wheat, rice, pulses and oil seeds as the main crops. And one more, which is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Uttar Pradesh. Here, people speak Hindi and Urdu. In Uttar Pradesh, the main festivals celebrated are Holi, Dasara, Diwali, Eid and Christmas. And one more, leather, metal and cotton textiles are some of the industries in Uttar Pradesh. Let me share another fact. The Taj Mahal built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan stands beautiful at Agra in Uttar Pradesh. It is a mausoleum built of white marble. It means group of tombs. Let's see Bihar. Bihar plains are divided into two parts by the river Ganga, which flows through the middle from west to east. And Bihar is the land of two great men, Buddha and Mahavira. Here, the capital city of Bihar is Patna. So, what is the capital city of Bihar? Patna. And Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are the cities of historical importance in Bihar for educational institutions and here wheat, rice, sugarcane and jute are grown, but rice is the main crop of this state. In Bihar, Hindi and Urdu are the official languages widely spoken. People celebrate Diwali, Dashera, Chhath, Eid and Durga Puja are the main festivals celebrated here. Do you know Bihar has large deposits of minerals like coal and iron. Fertilizers and oil refinery are the main industries in Bihar. Children, what are the main industries in Bihar? Fertilizers and oil refinery. Let's discuss West Bengal. West Bengal is lying in the eastern regions of India. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers flow in this state and have made the plains very fertile. And river Ganga divides in West Bengal as Batma and Hooghly. In West Bengal, rice and jute are the main crops. So what are the main crops in West Bengal? Rice and jute. Jute is used to make ropes, bags and carpets. What are the main industries in West Bengal? Jute, textile and silk are notable industries in West Bengal. The earlier name of Kolkata is Calcutta, which is the capital of West Bengal. So what is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Here, people speak Bengali. So what is the language of West Bengal? The language of West Bengal is Bengali. And the people of Bengal are fond of painting, music, dance and literature. Here, Durga Puja is the most popular festival. Now, we can see Assam. River Brahmaputra has made Assam very fertile. It also receives a good amount of rainfall. Here, rice and jute are the main crops. But tea is grown on the lower slopes of the hills. And Dispur is the capital and Guwahati is the largest city. So children, what is the capital of Assam? Dispur. The people of the state speak Assamese. They celebrate the festival Bihu. So what is the main festival in Assam? Bihu. and Assam has large deposit of petroleum. Let's see Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh from all sides. Agartala is its capital city. So what is the capital of Tripura? Agartala. Here, rice and jute are the main crops. Besides, plenty of bamboo is also grown. It is used to make handicraft items. And you know, Bengali and Kakparak are the main languages spoken in Tripura. Thank you, children.